Hello guys, welcome to Get Moniepoint POS YouTube channel. And on this YouTube channel, we try to solve various challenges agents may encounter using the Moniepoint POS or directly on their wallet account. Alright guys, so first thing first guys, I want to appreciate those that have subscribed to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for subscribing. And for those that have not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, just click that subscribe button and that is all you have subscribed. All right, so if you're watching my video for the first time, I'm Olukotisame Olamide. I'm a business relationship manager for Moniepoint. All right, so on this video, I want to show you how you can log dispute either for a card issue based on the transaction or dispute for your POS. What I mean is that you did transaction with the Moniepoint ATM card and you're having issues, so you want to log the dispute. You can actually log it on your dashboard, or you did a transaction with your Moniepoint POS and you want to log dispute. You can actually log it on your dashboard. All right. So it's a very simple process, and I'll be taking you to my screen shortly, and I'll be showing you. But please remember, guys, to subscribe to this video, this channel, and also like this video. All right, it's not going to cost anything to subscribe, it's not going to cost anything to like. All right, so let's go to my screen and we'll continue from there. All right guys, so that's it. Now we're on my screen. You enter your username, you enter your password. If you're finding it difficult to log in, I made a previous video on how you can log in and unlock your account in case your account is locked. So you can pause this video and search on the previous video how to unlock your account. Right, so select login. So let's just randomly pick any account. Let's just randomly pick some account. Let's just do this, okay? So let's do that. All right, so now you come to your, are you seeing this? The lower left of your dashboard. Are you seeing this, guys? Come to the lower left of your dashboard. This is the settings symbol. So you select the, okay, I'm coming. Instead of doing that, you can also do this directly. Are you seeing this, guys? Dispute. Are you seeing this? Select dispute. Then on the dispute, you see the POS dispute, front office dispute, and card dispute. All right, so this POS dispute, we don't have any dispute transaction on this account because there is no POS to this account. All right, so otherwise you would have seen the transaction there and you would have been able to log using the receiver's account number, which is the customer's account number, the customer's bank, and the amount. All right, so you can also see the card dispute. Are you seeing this, guys? Card dispute. So on the card dispute, you come to log a new dispute. Are you seeing this, guys? Log a new dispute. You select by filter the date, the particular date of the transaction. Select the date, then you click on find transaction. Are you seeing this, guys? Find transaction. So it's going to search and pop the transaction out for you if actually that transaction was not successful and you were debited. Are you seeing this, guys? It's very easy. You can resolve it on your dashboard, and when you send for the dispute, we are going to receive it on the back end and your issue is going to be treated. Are you seeing this, guys? Very simple and very straightforward. All right, guys, that's it. It's very simple and very straightforward. Log in on your dashboard using your username, your password. Go to disputes, go to card disputes, log a new dispute, select the dates, filter, and that is it. So you can now log the dispute for that particular transaction using your amount, date, and the rest of that. So I believe this video must have helped you guys. If you have a question you would like to ask, you can drop it on the comment section, or you have a challenge you are facing with your POS, you can also drop it on the comment section. Please remember to subscribe and also like this video. Cheers, guys, and God bless. Hello guys, welcome to Get Moniepoint POS YouTube channel. And on this YouTube channel, we try to solve various challenges agents may encounter using the Moniepoint POS or directly on your wallet account. All right, so first thing first, guys, I want to appreciate those that have subscribed to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much, guys. And for those that have not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's not going to cost you anything. Just click that subscribe button and that is it, you are done. Alright, and also please remember to like this video. And if you're watching my video for the first time, I'm Olukotun Samuel Olamide. I'm a business relationship manager from Moniepoint. Alright, so as you all know, my videos are always straight to the point. So on this particular video, I want to show you how you can actually switch your print out receipts from withdrawal to purchase. All right, so if you're a merchant, you're a business owner, you're a merchant, and you want the receipt to be showing purchase, not withdrawal. Customers are coming to purchase something from your supermarket, your shop, whatever you're selling, and you want the receipt to be displaying purchase, not showing withdrawal. All right, this is a very simple video on how you can do that. So and at the end of this video, you can also drop your challenges. If you're facing any challenge with your POS, you can drop it on the comment section. If you have any question you want to ask, you can also drop it on the comment section. I will attend to them. All right, so we'll be going to my screen now and I'll be taking you from there. Alright guys, so this is it now. We are on my screen. So enter your username, enter your password. And in case you're finding it difficult to log in, probably you've forgotten your password or your username, I made a previous video on that. So you can pause this and go search my previous video on how you can easily unlock your account. Alright, I won't be going back to that for the sake of time. So log in, we'll select login. Then actually these are many accounts. So let me just select this. Alright, so now you come here. As you can see guys, are you seeing this? Remember, we're about to switch. So on this place you can see the settings symbol. Alright, click on it, click on the settings symbol, then come to, are you seeing this guy? POS terminal futures. POS terminal futures. Are you seeing the process? We came down here, we selected these settings, then you now select POS terminal futures. Are you seeing this guys? Alright, so now on POS terminal futures, as you can see, the futures that we have here that will be displayed on your POS. So you can now off the withdrawal and switch on the purchase. Are you seeing this guys? So that the receipt for payments, whenever customer makes payment, will be displaying purchase, not withdrawal. Are you seeing this? You can also on your POS transfer, switch off any feature you don't want to display on the POS, switch on any feature you want to display. Are you seeing these guys? This is an amazing feature. Then you can come and click on apply. Are you seeing these guys? Apply. Business terminal featured successfully. Are you seeing these guys? Very, very, very simple. A very simple process. Alright guys, so that's it. It's a very, very simple process, as you can see, and that is all. We are done. Alright, so if you have any question, please remember to drop it on the comment section. Any challenge you're facing with your POS, and also please remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click on the subscribe button to subscribe, and also like these videos. Alright guys, like this video. Cheers guys, and God bless. Hello guys, welcome to Get Moniepoint POS YouTube channel. And on this YouTube channel, we try to solve various challenges agents may encounter using the Moniepoint POS, and also videos are made on how you can be more profitable using the Moniepoint POS. Alright, so first and first guys, I want to appreciate those that have subscribed to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for subscribing, and for those that have not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please click the subscribe button. It's not going to cost you anything to subscribe. Just click that button and that's it. You have subscribed. Alright. So when you subscribe, you'll be getting regular updates on our new videos. Whenever we release a new video, you'll be updated on your notification. Alright, so you can also click the bell icon so that you'll be receiving notifications from our new video. And please try to like this video. Ensure you like this video, subscribe, and also like this video so that other people can get the opportunity to see the video. Alright, so I'll be going very straight to the point. As you all know, my videos are always short and straightforward, straight to the point. Alright, so particularly I made this video for not necessarily beginners, but for those that are not there to monitor their POS. Okay, probably there's somebody in charge running it for them. And also for those that are also there, this is also going to help. All right, so it's a very simple way of balancing your work. It's a very simple way, and I know some people may already be used to this way while some may not know, but it's very important you do it like this. All right, so it's a very simple, and I'll be taking you to my screen and I'll be showing you how you can balance your daily transaction. It's very important you are able to balance your daily transactions so that you can tell when there are excesses. Okay, maybe there are some transaction you did that you thought was not successful but was successful. Okay, for those doing card transfer, some people do experience this, people doing card transfer, and after the card transfer, you discover that the customer was debited but the receiver did not receive the money. So there's every probability that the money may be in your account, but if you are not balancing, you will not know. And if, for instance, if 30,000 added to your account and you are not aware, and later you now discover 30,000 add to your account, to leave that money is something a little difficult for you people. Why? Because you have calculated the money to be part of your capital, which is not. All right, so I'll be showing you my screen now, and we'll continue from there. Okay guys, so now we are on my screen. As you can see, it's very simple. Just listen and you'll be able to replicate this. All right, it's very simple. Okay, so firstly, we have on our heading, when you are drawing your paper, you can see you have the withdrawal, you have the transfer. Okay, you have the charges from accounts, you have the charges at hand. All right, so now to the withdrawal, when customer comes to withdraw, so we are starting with a zero account here. The money in the POS, we are assuming that there's no money in the account. All right, so we draw our table into rows and column. All right, so you may not necessarily demarcate all of this because on the plain sheet is already done. So you can just use your ruler to draw this, and draw this as your main heading for that day. So you draw this 1, 2, 3, 4 as your main heading for that day. All right, so you have the rows and you have your column. All right, so now for withdrawal, remember we said this account is on zero. So let's assume a customer comes to withdraw 10,000 naira, and you ask the customer, should you charge from the account or the customer is going to pay the charges? Okay, do you understand? All right, so when the customer is doing the withdrawal and the customer said, okay, charge from the account, that means you are adding 200 to this 10,000 naira. Okay, that's very important. That means at the end of your transaction, you will be having 10,000 naira in your zero account. Remember that we started with the zero account. In your zero account, you'll be having 10,200 naira in your Moniepoint account, and you'll be paying the customer 10,000 naira. Do you understand? And you'll be paying the customer 10,000 naira. That means in your account, you have 10,200 now, and at hand, cash at hand is zero. Do you understand? Let me go back again. We are starting this with this table now. We are assuming that this individual does not have any amount in his account. That means he has zero money in his account. There's no money in his account, but he has 10,000 as cash. All right, this individual has zero and he has 10,000 as cash. So now we are assuming that after the transaction, this person is going to now move the 10,000 that is having at cash. We now go to the account with addition of 200 from the charges. Are you seeing this, guys? Very simple. Okay, so that means the 200 on the 10,000 is the charges from the account. Now when we come to transfer, so let's say a customer comes to transfer 5,000 naira and you decide to charge the customer at hand. Do you understand? Because usually transfer is when customer bring cash, so most of the time you likely collect the charges by hand. There are very few instances where customer will pay charges from account when the customer is transferring, except the customer is doing a card transfer. I know you must have understood very well how to use the card transfer, but if you don't still understand how to go about card transfer, I made a previous video on that, on how you can understand and do card transfer. So I won't be going to that. You can pause this and go back to the video. So now we come and the customer is about to withdraw 5,000 naira. So now he's about to transfer 5,000 naira. Remember, we have 10,200 in the account, and the 10,000 we had cash, we have paid it out for the withdrawal, and now we have 10,200 in the account. So now customer is transferring 5,000 naira and is paying the charges at hand. That means 5,000 is leaving from this 10,200, making it 5,200 in the account, and 150 is coming into your hand as the charges at hand. Are you seeing this, guys? It's very, very simple. 150 is coming into your hand as the charges at hand. So the importance of this is that it's going to help you differentiate between your charges from the account and your charges at hand, so that at the end of the day you can differentiate between the money that added into your wallet as charges and the money that added physically, the physical cash you have on your hand as charge. Are you seeing this, guys? It's very important. So this is going to help you to know your profit, because if you can't do this, there's no way you'll be able to get your profit. If you don't know the charges that move into the account and the charges that you collected by cash, you will not be able to get your profit. So at the end of the day, you can now add it up. You have the charges from the account, which is 200, and you have the charges from at hand, which is 150. So the potential profit from this transaction is going to be how much? You add this together, it's going to be 350. I think this, guys, very, very simple. Excluding the charges the POS will be charging you for this particular transaction. Excluding the charges the POS is going to be charging you for this transaction, the potential profit this person will be making is going to be 350. So you'll be able to exclude your capital, the capital you're using for your transaction, from the charges you're making from the transaction. Are you seeing this, guys? It's very, very, very simple. I'm going to repeat it again for the sake of those that are new into the business. I know some people are already doing this, but for the sake of those that are new into the business, this customer is starting an account with zero in his account and he has 10,000 cash. So a customer comes to withdraw the 10,000 naira. That means the machine is going to debit the customer and credit this account. The person is charging the customer from the account, so it's entering 10,200. The 10,200 moves to the POS account. The 10,000 the person has cash goes to the customer. So in the account, the business owner, which is the agent, has 10,200 and zero cash. So now 200 as charges from the account. Another customer comes to withdraw 5,000 naira. Are you seeing this, guys? 5,000 naira and charges at hand, because when you are doing a transfer, you are likely to charge the customer at hand, except if it's a card transfer, because the customer will be paying by cash. Are you seeing this? So the customer comes to transfer. So 5,000 moves from this 10,200 the person has in the account, remaining 5,200. Are you seeing this, guys? And you collected the charges at hand, which is 150. So that means the potential profit you made from these two transactions is 350, excluding the charge from Moniepoint POS. Are you seeing this, guys? Excluding the charge from the Moniepoint POS. So this is how you continue. Then at the end of the day, you can now balance the charges you collected at hand and the charges you collected from the account. So you can check the ones you have at hand and the ones you have in your account to see if they are similar with what you have on your table. Are you seeing this, guys? Similar with what you have on your table. So this is basically how you'll be able to do that. Alright, guys, so that's a very quick video, very, very simple to understand. Though there are other complex methods, but this is a very, very simple method that goes for anybody, goes for every POS owner, and you'll be able to balance your work accurately. All right, so for those that are having questions, maybe there's something I said that you don't understand, or you are having a challenge particularly with your POS and you'd like me to attend to your challenges, you can drop your response on the comment section. Drop your questions, drop your suggestions. You want a video on something, drop them on the comment section and I will attend to them. Please remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click on the subscribe button to subscribe, and also like this video. Cheers, guys, and God bless. Hello everyone, welcome to Get Moniepoint POS YouTube channel. And on this YouTube channel, we try to solve various challenges agents may encounter using the Moniepoint POS or directly on their wallet account. Alright, so first and first, my name is Olukotun Samuel Lamide and I'm a business relationship manager for Moniepoint. And on this YouTube channel, I try to solve lots of issues that agents may encounter using the Moniepoint POS, and also I bring in suggestion and opinions that have been tested and trusted ways on how to maximize your POS and also make more using the POS. All right. So first and first, guys, I want to appreciate those that have subscribed to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for subscribing, guys. And for those that have not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, I'm begging you guys, click on the subscribe button. It's not going to cost you anything to subscribe. All right, so when you subscribe, it's going to enable you to get notified whenever we release a new video. You will be able to get access to our videos easily on YouTube. All right, please click on the subscribe button and also click the like button. Like this video, so that other people that are looking for this video will be able to get quick access to these videos. When you like the video, YouTube is going to push the video, push it to go viral, so that other people can have access and see the video easily. All right, so I believe you have subscribed and also believe you have liked this video. All right, guys, thank you so much. So let's go to what we have to say on today's video. So on today's video, I'll be sharing with you basically what I see personally as 3 biggest mistakes every POS owner makes, that I don't want you to make those mistakes. All right, so this video is very important. Stay till the end of this video, and also you can ask questions on the comment section. You can drop on the comment section anything. Maybe you're facing a challenge with your POS, you can drop it on the comment section, or you want to know more about the Moniepoint POS, you can also drop it on the comment section. I make out time available to attend to every comment I see on the comment section, if possible, every comment I see on the comment section. All right, so the topic for today's video is 3 biggest mistakes every POS owner makes. Right, so these are professional advice I want to give, and these are professional opinion. It is my feed, so I know what I'm saying. So number 1 is accepting external transfer. All right, I can also call it accepting third-party transfer. All right, this looks very casual, right? It's not a big deal, but let me explain the chances you may face when you do that. All right, number 1, based on the increased crime rates that we can see in our society, we understand that there are some people that are involved in fraudulent transaction, and do not want to receive transaction personally to their account. What I mean is that there are certain people, either they are involved in some crime, so they don't want to receive the transaction personally into their account. They want to use a third-party account, and the people they always target are the POS owners. Okay, do you understand? It's not going to make sense for anybody to come to me. I'm just walking on the street and they come to me and say, please, can I use your account to receive payment? It's not making sense, right? But if they should come to a POS owner, because it is basically their work, so you are the target, guys. As long as you have a POS business, you are the target for these guys. They want to use your account to create a mess. All right, they want to use your account to receive a third-party transfer, so that they cannot be traceable, so that the EFCC or the legal institution responsible for tracing them will not be able to trace them. All right, so they will not be able to trace them. So for instance, let's assume somebody wants to receive a ransom. Okay, the person looks for an account. You cannot use his account, you see, because that account is going to be traced. So the person comes to your location and say, all right, I want to receive so amount, and can I use your account? And the person claims that maybe he has a relative somewhere that is transferring money into his account, but his account cannot receive payment, or his card is not working, so he wants to use your account. However, there are some chances where these are true. All right, there are some chances where these are true. All right, but most times it can be a fraudulent transaction, especially when the amount is huge. All right, if the amount is huge, 300, 500, the person should go to the bank. The person should go to the bank, right? It does not really make sense that the person comes over, but they cannot go to the bank because of the act they want to do. All right, so you should engage them, discuss with them, the kind of transaction they want to do, why they want to receive the payment through your own account. Engage them, discuss with them. Don't allow the money they want to pay you. Okay, they can even decide to double the amount, the charges. See, because they know what they want to do. They can decide to triple the charges so that you can be disbalanced by the profit you want to make. You understand? So discuss with them, engage them. This transaction you are doing, who is the person sending money? Who is the person to you? What do you want to use the money? You can ask those questions, all right? So, and also you can take some of their personal information like their phone number. You can write down their phone number or their bank account number if they will give you that. But at least have their phone number if you must perform that transaction. You see, if you must perform that transaction. All right, so that was the first one. All right, guys, are we good to go? The second one, the second biggest mistake that POS owner make is transferring money without being paid or paying a transaction that is not approved. All right, this is on two sides, the withdrawal and the transfer side. All right, what do I mean? Somebody comes to your location and said you want to perform a transaction and you have not even seen the money the person is sending, or you have seen it and the person has not given you the money and the person is saying send the money first, then I will pay you. All right, it does not make sense. Do not send. I know sometimes you may not even do this calculation that I'm saying. You just probably have seen a lot of customers, so the person just say you want to send money, you ask the person where are you sending money to, gives your account number, then the person, you send the money, then you are now requesting for the money. That's very wrong, right? That's very, very wrong. So collect your payment, collect your charges. If the transaction is not successful, you can still pay them back and pay them back their charges. Collect your payment, collect your charges before you perform a transaction. That's for transfer. Then also for withdrawal, do not pay a transaction that is not approved. Do not pay a transaction that is not approved. Even if the customer is debited, in some cases, you have to tell the customer to check back after 24 hours working days. And if it is not refunded, if you are using the Moniepoint POS, the Moniepoint POS is so enhanced that it also enables you to file a dispute directly on your POS. You can file a dispute on your POS. I made a previous video on that, but for the sake of this video, I'll just do a recap. All right. So click on more if you have done upgrade on your POS. Click on more. When you click on more, you scroll down to disputes. Then you file a dispute. If it exceeds 7 days, you have to log in on your phone to be able to file a dispute. If the transaction has exceeded 7 days, you log in on your phone, select the transaction type, select the date, click on that transaction, then you see request for dispute and you file a dispute. So you should not pay a transaction that is not approved. You can also always find a way to resolve it as long as you have not paid. But if you have paid, even if the customer received the money or you are telling the customer let's go to the bank, the customer has already lost interest in following up the process with you because he has seen his money. So anything you are saying is almost like you are stressing the person. The person does not want to be involved in all those processes. You tell the person come to the bank, the person tells you he's going somewhere, he's not ready using. But if you have not paid the person is willing and ready to follow the process with you. All right, so that's the second. And lastly, I hope you have clicked on the subscribe button because this YouTube channel is very encouraging and there are lots of videos that goes out on this channel and they are very profitable. So if you have not subscribed, you are still wrong. All right. So the last point I'll be sharing is fluctuation, especially for business owner. They are not always available in their location. This is a very big mistake, right? It's a very negative signal you are giving out to your customers. I saw a post online on a POS owner that has a location and was not going to come the next day, and the person decided to put a notice that I will not be available until this date. That's very professional. Don't just lock your location, no notice, no, you are not giving any notes that okay, I'll be back on 23rd, I'll be back in the next 7 days, I'll be back in the next 2 days. You just close the location down and you just decide to open the next month or next week. That's a very terrible signal. People don't want to do huge transaction with you. People don't want to do huge volume with you because they don't know next time when you leave. They don't know what's going to happen next. All right. So these are basically the 3 biggest mistakes that POS owners make. And I do not want you to make these mistakes. And I know this video has been very, very helpful to you. This video has helped you a lot. And you also want other people to benefit from this video. And the way you can do that is to like this video. so that this video can go viral and every POS owner can have easy access to see this video. And also please subscribe. Click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Is also going to encourage us to make more videos, because the things we are giving out are for free. All right, so it's going to encourage us to make more videos. So I believe this video will help you. If you have a question, you have a challenge you're facing with your POS, please drop it on the comment section and I'll be attending to your challenges. Cheers guys, and God bless. Welcome to Get Moniepoint POS YouTube channel. And on this YouTube channel, we try to solve various challenges agents may encounter using the Moniepoint POS or directly on your wallet account. Alright, so my name is Olukotun Samuel Olamide and I'm a BRM, a business relationship manager for Moniepoint. Alright, so on this YouTube channel, I've been able to solve lots of challenges. I've been able to make lots of tutorials pertaining how you can maximize the Moniepoint POS and some precautions you should know as a POS owner. Alright, so first and first guys, I want to appreciate those that have subscribed to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. And for those that have not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It will not cost you anything. It will not cost you anything, guys, to just click on that subscribe button. Just click that button and that's it. You have subscribed. All right. Thank you. I believe you must have subscribed now. All right. And also, please remember to like this video. All right. When you like this video, it's going to help you to push forward the video to people that are interested in seeing this video. And trust me, a lot of guys that have a Moniepoint POS want to see this video, and they need you to like the video as much as possible. When you're watching this video, make sure you like it so that the video goes viral and a lot of people using a Moniepoint POS will be able to see this video. Thank you so much. Right, so on that, we'll be moving to our tutorial for today. All right, so on this tutorial I want to show you how you can place a transfer limit on your POS. All right, so why do you need a transfer limit? Okay, for some reasons you may not be comfortable with certain amounts done without your consent. Okay, you need to be involved in that transaction. Okay, do you understand? Okay, so you can now place a limit that so and so amount should not be done. A transfer cannot be done even when the person knows the transfer pin. All right, so if you have a salesperson, an attendant that is working for you in your location, you can place a transfer limit of probably, depending on the volume of transaction you are doing there, maybe a transfer limit of maybe 500,000. Do you understand? You can place it on the POS so that even when the person uses the transfer pin, is not going to go, because normally you are saying you don't even want that kind of amount to go out at once. Understand? Except the person has to call you and say, okay, we have a customer, we have a situation that we have to transfer as high as this volume. Do you understand? So I'll be taking you to my screen, and on the screen I'll be showing you how you can set a transfer limit. A transfer limit on your Moniepoint device. So let's go to my screen and we'll continue from there. All right guys, so that's it. Now we are on our screen. All right, so insert your username and also insert your password. In case you're finding it difficult to log in, maybe you can't remember your password or you can't remember your username, I made a previous video on how you can reset your password. So just pause this video and search for my video. You also see it. So then you can watch and know how you can reset your password. So now we're going to click on login field. Let's check our internet connection. Okay, now we have to connect to an internet source. So now let's go back, login. Okay, so now it's loading. Okay, so that's it. So let's just let me pick a new account. Okay, so log in into this account, then you come down here. Are you seeing this, guys? Scroll down, then you come to POS. Come down, scroll down here, then you click on settings. Are you seeing this, guys? Settings. Are you seeing these settings? Then you select the settings. Then you come to profile limit. Are you seeing this, guys? Profile limit. Okay. we have limits here. Transfer approval limit. Are you seeing this, guys? Under limit, transfer approval limit. Set up configuration. Are you seeing this, guys? Set up configuration. Select it. Then insert the amount you want. Okay, so for this particular account, I'll be using 500k. Okay. Then expiring time, I'll just set 5 hours. Are you seeing this? This is the minutes, this is the hours. Are you seeing this? Then set configuration. Alright, so that's it. Can you see it, guys? I can also decide to delete it. I can decide to edit it. Maybe I want to increase it and I want to reduce it. Are you seeing this? So we have a transfer limit directly on this account. So we are done. Very simple. So now we have a transfer limit on this account. So either somebody is trying to transfer on the POS or on the web, it's not going to go. It's not going to allow that transaction if it exceeds 500,000. All right. So it's very, very important to have a transfer limit on your account. It's very, very important. I believe this video was helpful. All right. And in case you're having any challenge you're facing with your POS, or you need a clarification on something, or you want me to make a video on a particular thing you don't understand, please just drop it in the comment section and I will attend to you. I always make out my time available to attend to every comment I see on the comment section. And please remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and also share this video. Cheers, guys, and God bless. Hello, guys. Welcome to Get Moniepoint PS YouTube channel. And on this YouTube channel, we try to solve various challenges agents may encounter using the Moniepoint POS. Alright, so in this section of our video, I'm going to be making a recap on a previous video that I've done, but now there is a new upgrade, okay, towards using the same method. Alright, so first and first, guys, I want to appreciate those that have subscribed to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. And for those that have not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just click that button there, subscribe, and that's it. It's not going to cost you anything to subscribe. And also, please like this video. Alright, when you like the video, YouTube algorithm is going to make it easier for people that are searching for the video to see the video. And trust me, this video is very important. This channel is one of the best channels that you must be in if you have a POS, if you are operating a POS. Right? I believe you have subscribed, I believe you have liked the video. Right? So on this YouTube channel, I want to make a recap on how you can unblock your POS, for those that their POS is showing terminal is blocked due to multiple pin error. Alright. So we know the previous method that I explained on the other video is still almost alike, but the settings has changed a little on the screen. Alright, so let's get started and I'll be showing my screen and we'll continue from here. Alright, guys, so now we are on our screen. You can see. So how did we get here? You can just type atm.moniepoint.com on your Google. On your Google, go to your Google. If you want to do reset, go to Google. Don't use the app for a reset. Come to forget password. Are you seeing this, guys? Forget password. Insert your username. And for some people that, for one reason or the other, cannot even remember their username. Okay, do we have such people? Yes, we do. Alright, so we want to enter our username. Yeah. So alright, guys, so that's it. You enter a username and you click on next. An OTP will be sent to your SMS. Enter the OTP, you receive an activation on your email. So when you enter the OTP, go to your email. The next thing you do when you enter the OTP, go to your email. So this is it now. We have our username and we've created a new password. Remember the process? We've created a new password. Now come to login. Are you seeing this, guys? Then select the account you want to change the PIN for. Are you seeing this? select the particular account. Let's do this. Then you come to this point. Are you seeing this, guys? Come here. Then you enter settings. Are you seeing this, guys? Click settings. If you are using a mobile device, you have to click. You should see something like this on your mobile device. Then you click it. Then you scroll down. Then you scroll down. Then you come. That's if you are using an Android phone or iPhone. But if you are using a system, everything should be clear like this. So you come to the settings. Then you come to security. Come to security. Select security. Reset PIN. Enter your password, enter the new PIN you want to put, confirm the new PIN you want to put, then click on change PIN. Are you seeing this, guys? Very, very straightforward. Click on change PIN. Hello guys, so that's it. Very, very simple and very straightforward. In case you're having any question or any challenge, you can drop it on this comment section and I will attend to you. Alright, please remember to subscribe and also click the like button to like this video. Alright guys. Cheers and God bless. Hello guys, welcome to Get Moniepoint POS YouTube channel. And on this YouTube channel, we try to solve various challenges that agents, business owners may encounter using the Moniepoint POS or directly on your wallet account. So when you're having issues with your POS, all the issues are regarding transaction on your wallet, this is the best channel that explains how you can go about and solve your issues on POS, on wallet, on transaction, safety, precautions, and how to explore more using your Moniepoint POS. Alright, so I'm Olukotin Samuel Lamide. I'm a BRM from Moniepoint. Alright, and first and first, guys, I want to appreciate those that have subscribed to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much, guys, for subscribing. And for those that have not subscribed to our channel, please click on the subscribe button to subscribe. Just click that button there, subscribe, and that's it, you have subscribed. All right, so when you subscribe to our channel, it's going to enable you to you'll be notified whenever we release a new video. You'll be notified, and also it's also going to encourage us to make more videos. This is how you can pay back for the help we are rendering on this channel, by just clicking on the subscribe button. And also, please remember to like this video. Click on the like button to like this video. When you like this video, YouTube is going to make it easier for people that are looking for the video to get access to the video. So when people are searching our video content, they'll easily get access to the video. So please like this video and also remember to share. All right, so basically my videos are for people that are using the Moniepoint POS. Okay, it's very peculiar to that. All right, if you have been watching my recent video, you would have noticed that. And most of the content I share on this channel are professional content. That means they are not just head knowledge or just idea. There are things that work. Okay, there are things that I have engaged. There are things that works based on either the POS or also on the wallet account. All right, so on this video I want to show you what you should do when you have a pending transaction. Okay, all right guys, so what you should do when you have a pending transaction. Okay, what's the pending transaction? A pending transaction basically is a transaction that the status has not been concluded. That means the status of the transaction has not been concluded. All right, so what do you do? Okay, what do you do? Do you pay the customer? What do you do? Do you not pay the customer? All right, so if you have been watching my previous videos, especially videos on safety precautions, things you should do, things you should not do, you would have known the first thing you should do, that when you're into POS business, you do not pay a transaction that is not approved. Okay, a transaction that the status has not been approved yet, you do not pay the transaction. Why? Because you don't know the customer's location, you don't know the customer's whereabouts. All right, so you are the one that is more static. All right, the customer are very, very mobile. That means they are displaceable. You are more static because you have a fixed location. So they can still come back and meet you, you see, but you cannot go and see them. You may not even see them again. All right, these are people, maybe you are just meeting them for the first time. They may even be travelers. All right, or visitors, or just came around for a tour or something like that. You understand? Not indigene of that particular state. All right. So you have to be very, very careful. All right. So the thing you should do when you have a pending transaction, all right, advisably, I want to take you to the POS machine now so that we can continue from there. Okay. So these are POS machine, as you can see. So you go to more, you click on more. Let me show you. Are you seeing this? This terminal has been upgraded. The version now is 1.3.6. All right. So you click on this more here. More. Then you scroll down. Are you seeing this, guys? You scroll down to. Are you seeing this? You scroll down to history. You scroll down to history. All right. Then you come to online history. All right. Online history. Then you select the transaction. Is it a transfer? Is it a withdrawal transaction? All right, guys. So now when you see that transaction, you want to click on the transaction. And you want to see the recent status of the transaction on the online history. All right. On the online history, you want to see the recent transaction. Another thing you can do, when you are in a tight corner, especially when the customer is insisting, okay, you can take the receipt of that transaction, you understand, send it to a support. When they generate the section ID number, then they will be able to give you a quick feedback on the status of that transaction, all right, so that you can know the next move. All right, so when you get the status of the transaction, either from the support using the section ID code, then from there you can progress. All right, it's a very simple process, but as simple as it is, if you don't know it, you may suffer the consequences that may be bigger than this simple thing. All right, so that's it. I believe this video must have helped you. Okay, and for those that usually have questions, I see many questions on my DM. You can also drop the questions on the comment section. All right, so that when I attempt I answer the questions, other people with the same challenge will see your question and they will also see the response. So when you drop the question on the comment section, then if I tell you to click the description link to DM me, it's more better that way. Do you understand, guys? So that people can also see your questions and they can see the answer and also learn from that. All right. So, and for those that are having challenges that I have not made a video on, just drop them on the comment section and I'll find time and I'll make a video for you. All right. Thank you so much. I believe you have enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe, guys. Subscribe and also like this video. Subscribe and also like this video. All right, guys. Cheers, guys, and God bless. Hello, guys. Welcome to Get Moniepoint POS YouTube channel. And on this YouTube channel, we try to solve various challenges agents may encounter using the Moniepoint POS or directly on your wallet account. All right. So first thing first, guys, I want to appreciate those that have subscribed to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. All right, and if you have been watching my video and you have not subscribed to our channel, please click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, this is the help you can give out to us. All right, it's not going to cost you anything to click on that button, just that subscribe button, and that's it. All right, and also I want you to like this video, so that other people that are looking for this video will be able to get it easily. When you like the video and people come on YouTube to search, they will be able to easily search out the videos, and these videos are very important, especially for those that are using POS. All right, so I believe you have subscribed and I believe you have liked this video. Thank you so much. All right, my name is Samuel Olamide, and I'm a BRM for Moniepoint. All right, a business relationship manager. All right, so on this video I want to show you the steps and the procedures you can follow when you make an erroneous transfer. All right. Okay, it is true that we have to be careful when you are performing transactions, but however there are times where you may not be able to manage the errors that may occur in business. All right, so you mistakenly sent money into a wrong account. All right, so basically these are the steps that you can take, and these are steps that should be taken very, very fast. All right, we've seen situations where people send money into wrong accounts, and they will just go to the bank directly and tell the bank, okay, please check this account. The bank may not give you any details of that customer. No, it doesn't work that way. I cannot just go to the bank and get your details because I claim I sent money into your account. Do you understand, guys? All right. And also for those, this goes in two ways. The first one is those that send and make erroneous transfer. That means you transfer money into a wrong account. You want to send money into First Bank, you send money into UBA. The second one is on withdrawal. Probably you wanted to debit the person 5,000, and instead of 5,000 you debited the person 500. Are you seeing it, guys? So the person was debited 500 instead of 5,000, and you paid the person 5,000. That means you're on shortage of 4,500. Right. So if you are in any of this situation, this video is for you. All right. So the first step you should take before going to the bank, depending on the volume of the money though, because it's going to cost you. The process is not free. All right. The first thing you should do is that you go to a court and you take court order. All right. So why are you taking the court order is because according to CBN policy, no bank has the right to release their customer details to somebody. All right, so you need a court order showing that, okay, this is what you want, this is what happened, and the bank should assist in this area. All right, so when you get the court order, and remember this thing, you have to do them quickly. When you get the court order, you take it to the bank. That means the bank the person is using. All right, the bank you sent the wrong money into, is it UBA bank or any bank? You take it to that bank, give them the court order. So from there, they will do a follow-up for you. If they have to nail the account and call the customer, or give you the customer phone number, and you guys will speak and bargain, and you can now get your money back. You see, it's a very simple process, but if you don't follow this process, there is no way you can get your money back. Even if you go to the bank, they will not attend to you, except you go with a court order. All right. So it's a very, very simple video. You see the steps are very, very simple. All right. I believe this video must have helped you. All right, and if you're having any challenge you're facing with your POS, you can also drop it on the comment section. You have a question, drop it on the comment section. You have a suggestion on a video I should make, drop it on the comment section. And please do not forget to like and subscribe to this video. Please remember to like and subscribe. It's also going to help you. You'll be notified whenever we release a new video. When you subscribe, you'll be notified, and when you like the videos, we'll be able to go viral, and people that need this video will have access to them. All right, guys. Cheers and God bless. Hello guys, welcome to Get Moniepoint POS YouTube channel, and on this YouTube channel we try to solve various challenges agents may encounter using the Moniepoint POS or directly on their wallet account. Alright, so if you are watching my video for the first time, I'm Olukotu Samuel Lamide. I'm a BRM for Moniepoint, and first and first I want to appreciate those that have subscribed to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for subscribing. All right, but for those that have not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button. All right, this is not going to cost you anything. It is free to click. All right, just click on that button, subscribe, and that's it. You have subscribed. All right, when you subscribe, because of the useful and profitable content we share on this video, you'll be notified whenever a video is released, and also this is going to encourage us to make more videos. All right, so please, let's hit the subscription to 1,000 guys. Just click on that subscription button. This is going to really help a lot. All right, so on this video I want to share professionally with you the precautions you should take, especially for those that are into POS business, or you have a POS you are using for your business. Right? What do I mean by that? It's that you are a BO, that is you're an agent, you do business banking, that is pay, you charge people for withdrawal, for transfer, for a time, or you have a POS you are using for your personal business, that's a merchant. All right, So people come to buy something, then they pay with card using your POS, right? So these are few precautions you should notice and you should take. All right. So before the end of this video, I will also be sharing something very valuable. So stay till the end of this video, and also you can ask questions on the comment section. All right. If you want me to make a video on something, you have a challenge you're facing with your POS, there's something you want to know about Moniepoint, all right, you can drop it on the comment section, and I will attend to you, or I will try as much as possible to make a video for that, to solve that challenge. All right. So let's go to our list. All right, so you have a POS, you're doing POS business, everything is going very fine, but you are not well informed about the risks, involved, the precautions you should take as a POS owner. So this video is really going to help you. It's really going to help you to stay on the safer side whenever you are performing a transaction. All right, so let's go to our POS now. Alright, so number one of the precautions you should always take if you have a POS is that, as much as possible, guys, do not accept third-party transfer as much as possible. Alright, except for very rare cases. All right, do not accept what do I mean by third-party transfer? All right, somebody comes to your location and wants to collect money, but the person is insisting that somebody somewhere is going to be the one to transfer the money to you, and you have to now pay the customer. You can see. All right, I know normally it does not look like something that involves risks. It does not look like a transaction that is risky. Right. But you have to also consider the fact that you don't know the person that is sending the money, you don't know why the person is sending the money. All right. What if the person is actually paying for a ransom? Right. Think about it. What if the person is paying for a ransom? Maybe they kidnap somebody somewhere and they want to use your account to receive payment. You know, the customer is not going to be traceable. Right. So it is your account that is going to be involved in that. You are the one involved in the transaction. So whenever the issue wants to be resolved, or there wants to be a trace back on social transaction that occurred, you will be the one involved. And remember, there's no how you can contact this particular customer, because the person did not drop any of his information, you did not debit his card, so there is no way to trace that person. So that is the danger of third-party transfer. You can take the risk if the amount is small, or if you can boldly ask the person why the person is using a third party, or if you can actually relate with the person on why the transaction must be from a third party. That's another reason. All right, but aside that, you be the one to take the risk. And remember, you are doing a POS business, you are dealing with lots of customers that you may not even remember the transactions that occur. You understand, guys? All right, so that's the first thing you should consider. All right, so another precaution you should take is, no matter how busy you are, no matter how many your customers are, when you receive transfer from a direct customer, always confirm the balance before and balance after. Ensure that you are not just interested in just seeing the alert. All right, I'll not be saying much on this. I actually made a previous video on how you can go through identifying a fake alert. That video is very, very, very important. You can pause this video and go back to search on YouTube. The video is on YouTube. Okay, how to identify fake alerts on as a business owner using a POS, Moniepoint POS. All right, so the video is going to come up. All right, so, and please, before I forget, remember to like this video so that people that are interested in watching this kind of video, they can easily have access to this video. When you like it, YouTube is going to bring the video out as videos that are necessary to be watched as people that are using POS. All right, that's very, very important. It's really going to help. All right, so ensure you confirm I'm talking about alerts now, the balance before
and the balance after. You are not just checking the alert. No matter how busy you are, confirm when the alert comes in, confirm the balance before the alert, balance after the alert. All right. So that's another precaution. All right. So another thing you want to consider is depending on your location, especially for those that are in remote location, like a village like setting, all right, and you see somebody always coming to ask for can you do 500k transaction, and the person is not always doing the transaction, right? That's another signal. What do I mean by that? A customer comes to you and say, can you do 1 million? And you said yes. The customer goes. The customer comes back another time, can you do 500? And you said yes, I mean 500k. The customer goes, and the customer is always coming like that to make inquiries without performing any transaction. All right, that's a signal. If necessary, you can also report that case. If necessary, you can report that case. All right, that's a signal that something is going wrong. All right, or you can also ask the person why the person is always interested in asking that kind of question, or you can choose not to answer the person when the person comes later on to ask that kind of question. You can choose not to answer. All right, you have the right not to answer the person. It is your business, it is your capital. All right, so that's it, and that's the third point. Remember the first point, we are on the third point now. And lastly, the precautions you should take as a POS owner is when you perform a transaction, either for withdrawal or for transfer, and the transaction is not successful, especially for withdrawal, and the customer is debited. All right, customer was debited, transaction is not successful. All right, so because the customers are seeing you physically, they can decide to harass you and forcefully want you to give them their money. You should understand that a failed transaction is a failed transaction, that the customer was debited or not. All right. When customers experience issues like that in banks, they are not able to harass the bank. In ATM, if you are debited and transaction is not successful, you cannot do anything than to go and report in the bank, and they'll give you days, you come back. You see, but when they see you physically, they can take advantage of that. Do not pay a transaction that is not successful. All right. There are processes to which you can go about resolving that, especially for those that are using Moniepoint POS. You can check on your dispute if you can find the transaction on your dispute. If the transaction has exceeded 5 days and is no longer on your dispute, you can log in on your online wallet. When you log in on your online wallet, you can go to transactions. When you go to transaction, you can go to transaction type. Is it withdrawal, a transfer, a deposit? Is it withdrawal, a transfer, transaction? All right. So you select the transaction type, then select the date you want. Click on that transaction. When you see the transaction, click on View More or click on that transaction. It's going to pop up. Scroll down. Are you seeing refund? If you are seeing refund, click on it. Enter the customer's account number, the customer name, the customer bank, and request for a refund. So the request will be sent for a refund. All right, and you also have to tell the customer to go. So you fill your dispute, you send it, you tell the customer to go to his bank to fill a dispense error form. So those are the process and the procedure you should follow, and the refund will be done. All right, the refund will be done. And also on the transaction, there's a place where you can see section ID code. You can also do a follow-up with a section ID code. You give the customer to call their customer care, give them the code, and those are the processes. But you should not pay a failed transaction, right? Because the customer, you are the one that is not necessarily mobile. So you are the one that is static. The customer can go and come back tomorrow, meet you there, but you may not be able to get the customer again if you pay. All right, that is it. I believe this video must have helped you, and please ensure you like this video and also subscribe. Like and also subscribe. If you have a question, you can drop them on the comment section and I will attend to your question. Cheers guys, and God bless.